Nation Market section on a Wednesday. The next part over there, so we call it what? Roadstown. Cha-cha. Yeah man, see St. Andrew, the stats. So them call up as a name. Spanish Town Road. Going a long run to Coronation Market section on a Wednesday.
Red peas are 100, $100.
$100 doing it. Red peas 100, round red 100, 1 pound of scallion 100. It's all about 100. Every time you come 100, you can't get nothing. Quarter pound. Yeah man, people passing Tivoli Garden right now. Regent Street, Bread Lane. Tivoli Courts. And you have Charles Street. You know, coming back on to Milk Lane, Queen's Theatre, come right down to Demontown Primary School and Demontown Secondary, now Demontown High. Yeah, and Spanish Town Road, same way. Yeah man, Demontown High and Demontown Primary, which is not Demontown again. It is Edward Seago Primary and Demontown High. So the name changed with people from Demontown Primary to Edward Seago Primary. But Demontown High still have the name from Demontown Secondary to Demontown High. Yeah man, passing Demontown, Little King Street. Remember out here, so they have a library. Where they write over here, so the library. We just come out of the library. Yeah. Yeah man, coming right out to Trenchtown now. Yeah, Collie Smith Drive. Go up there, find Trenchtown, Weymouth, Jungle. Up there, you see the people. Yeah man, Fire Brigade Station. And I rode the original rest road and the original road for go up in a Trenchtown. But you can't take it to Collie Smith Drive and go back home, see me. Oh, the area pass out here, so now Arizona. I come out to Mother White Bridge. Remember Mother White Bridge? Yeah. Yeah man, St. Andrew Technical High School. Yes, get copy with people. Yeah man. Yeah man, the next part over there, so you call it what? Rosestown. Cha-cha. Yeah man, see St. Andrew, the stats. Yeah, as I was saying, my people, that was the stats student them. Waltham ready, Waltham Park Road. Bad, that's always. Hear them fix it. That's always bad. Trust me. I'm have to put. No, them have to put just some concrete. Yeah, man. I put concrete there, so, you know. Too much water. Mash up the road right there, so. If I don't just concrete this and done. And right up here, so too. Right to one, so. Right, that's all. With them concrete, that's all, you know. If alright, them can't drive. Them can't drive people car. What's the driver? Driver full. Green uniform like Manley. Yeah man, Norman Manley. Ice, Norman Manley Ice. Like a 2 shift. I believe the school work have a 2 shift. You know, I'm most of the tests are going on, you know, because exam time will come up July. School soon be holiday. exam are going on now, so next month you know it go. Waltham traffic. These are some of the things, like, because most bus driver, like the Waterhouse bus them and the taxi driver them, they get a lot of ticket. Because when them come here and see the traffic, they can't wait. So them take it from the outside and shoot the line go down. More time them go down and police down there. You see me? And them get ticket. So them always get ticket because them always try to beat the time. You see me? They don't have enough time to really hit back and can do what them do. Them always try to beat the time. Fairchild Cheese side, Banaga Park Road. I go up that side and see if I can. I'm going to check for one youth. I have some video from right here. Some Hold on, by force, so I can't post up some now. I have a problem, Starkey, so I'll check it out and so on. Go on. So I can't video when I'm out because I'm not really on the video thing, you know. Yes, so people, blessed evening to you, my people. Big up, big up, big up, big up to all of you, my people, all subscribers, all viewers. Big up on yourself. This is Jamaica land 1965. Don't know, this is our beautiful island Jamaica that we love so much. And we would like to see everything good for the people of Jamaica, everything, better life, everything for the people them. People them can enjoy Jamaica. Yeah. Right now we're setting our way where Jamaica not enjoy Jamaica. We're setting our way now where Jamaican not enjoying Jamaica because all of the little lovely little things them where we're having an island for you comfort and enjoyment. It them take and a sell out. Seeing government and everybody mix up in it and a sell out the country. Imagine people. Remember we don't have a airplane again. We don't have a year Jamaica again. Year Jamaica is gone. Yeah, my people, as I talk, I say, here Jamaica, gone, we don't have here Jamaica again, see? And sell out here Jamaica, see? Them have the backside company them, up here, foreign country won them, you see me? Because if you check it out right now, the backside company them, probably never won by the government, by Jamaica again, see? Them sell out privately. You see me? The beaches them, the whole of the beaches them are sell out and them are fence off. Beaches are sell out and a fence off. Basically is that we are not allowed on our beaches. Yeah, we Jamaican, we are not allowed on the Jamaican beaches. So that are sell out. See? And go back again, we have there are so many things in the country where we don't have again, gone to private owner. You see? But all of that we still love the country. You see? And all we want from the leaders who are leaders, who we put up in the M to be the one to show with the robe and show with all the work we do. It should just see to it that the liberty of us is good. Provide work. We need to build factories that people can manufacture things. You need to get the youth them in a school and learn them certain things. Like for instance, the youth them need to learn about some engineering and some technology and the things that will take life in the world. You see? Because right now Jamaica should have the one set of people to build Jamaica. Yeah, to build Jamaica. All them highways and all them things, we should have one of people them with ability. We have people that can build, but yes, still them say them are capable enough. Them are capable enough, so a China them use. You see what I mean? But as me I say, you know cross.
You know carry away?
No, all per yard. I want my people, as me I say, man. To all the things they were set up and all. We need the whole thing for set in a way where we can say, boy, yeah. Jamaica that. See? Jamaica global on the map. So we need the people them feel comfortable. You see? Imagine me here. So I want that thing to happen to the people them in this country. See? I see a video on the media with the police woman and the parents a fight. She hold the woman, the police officer hold the lady in her head, in her ear. She have been weave. Weave to weave her ear, so she have been tall weave. And she hold the lady in her head by her weave, her ear. And the lady hold up, drape up on her uniform. In which case, I don't really know what really caused a controversy there. I don't really know what caused a problem or an argument we developed there to reach at this stage. I don't really know what caused. But as we them say, as we people cause the security guard, the dead and security guard, him say he never knows to fight a go on. Because them call him and he know what go on. Go back again, them say appearance like his appearance, him say me dead there. And say it's like she blasted us a cuss and you know I do her things and I go on and it's like she cuss the principal and I cuss the vice principal and you know and I use words, so it's like them like at the school. It is like at the school call the police to come get her for the compound. Sorry my people, sorry. Yeah, so the school call her to come get her for the compound. Call the police to come get the parents, which is the mother, off of the compound. But in all of this saga, before you go any further, what I like to know how that parents child feel when them see all our go on. Probably I threw a child there. She just drape up at the police and now really I push the effort. See? Because it will be really embarrassing to know your child there and you know, you come at school and at this I reach you in your eyes of your kids. You see? Anyway, I want to hope that the lady kid don't really get traumatized over this matter. The lady kid who attend the school because she's a parent. Okay. What I'm going to say now, the school call the police to come and get her off of the compound. Them come and them tell her to come off of the compound, in which, as what she says, she'll walk off of the compound. She said the policewoman looked upon her and asked her, say, what kind of work she do? And she turned to the policewoman and said, you're bright, you can't ask me that. You can't ask me what kind of work me do. See? And verbally, black woman and woman attack and verbally, and she point up her hand at the police woman's face. She point up her finger in the police woman's face. point up her finger in her face. She never say she juke her with her finger or she do whatsoever. She just point it up. In which case, pointing up your finger, I don't know if that is a law for a person not supposed to point them finger in a person's face. See? Alright. Well, as well the information we get from the video we see so far, the lady is saying that she only point her finger in her face because she asked her what kind of work she do and she refused to tell her what kind of, say she not have no authority if you ask her what kind of work she do. See? Well, it reached out that the woman said the point that she point the finger in the woman, in the police officer face. She lick her. So the liquor she lick her now. The liquor she lick her now, it caused the altercation between the two of them. But may I say, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's a terrible situation because the lady the mother sleep at jail and go court the next morning and go up on $100,000 bill. As we hear. Yeah, that she go to court the next morning, next day. She sleep in jail. As we hear. They allege say that the lady sleep in jail. The next day, she went to court and she didn't get any bail. And when she went to court, the court give her a $100,000 bail. Why that two-side story, but to me that says still. The law is the law. The law is the law. And the law must know how to operate and deal with the citizen of this country. There's no need for you, not because you are the law. You don't have no remote, you know, nothing at all where you do towards the public, which is, it is we the public, taxpayers' money, paying these people. So I feel more than less, say, they must have respect for we the public. Alright. You go on and have said, boy, alright. The law is the law. The lady shouldn't have done what she do. Point up her finger or jape up the officer. She get wrong because she take off the woman, the policewoman uniform and so forth. So she get wrong. In which case, may I say, she all go get the wrong. She all go get the wrong because I say she's a police officer and duty police officer. So she's not supposed to have that altercation with the officer. But the next thing again, the officer must know more, the officer must be more responsible officer. The officer must be more proactive in their work. See? The officer can't just get up and show a lady painting on your face. What kind of stress you have for you? What kind of problem you have? That a one little paint in her face. Not joking on your face, painting on your face, cause you have to lick the lady and cause the altercation that you have to lock her up and she go to court. So basically, it is abuse of power because she's a police, she lick the lady. In which case, no, you don't jump and lick big people like that. You do not do it not because you're an officer, you just don't jump and lick people like that. I don't can. Yes, my people. Yes, my people. Alright, as I was talking and saying that This thing no look right. It no look right. It no look good. And it no look professional. Alright, for instance, the lady do not have no right to fight the officer. And the officer should be more professional in doing our work, carrying out our work. Apply the training how to deal with people. Okay? Because this whole thing is about say show respect to the general public and let the public love you, work with you, and get along with all of you good. But in this case, when you acting on the behalf of power, it not gonna work out. Not gonna work out. Alright. Me feel more than less say the police work is a very difficult work, yes. We have to pray for them because sometimes they go through very difficult times in the line of duty. In which case, we don't really want nothing to happen to them because they are our brothers and sisters. But what we really like, what we really like is for them to show we the citizen, which is their brothers and sisters, love and respect. Well, that case, it's in the court. So I don't even have much too tough to say about it still. It's more than, it don't look good. It don't look good. It don't look good. And madam, sorry for what really happened. So I saw it really work out. And that really go on. Sorry. And we wish the best that things can work out for you in the best way for you. And for the officer lady, we are so sorry about the whole incident of what took place. But I think if you did have act more professional, it wouldn't escalate that way. And I wish the best for both of you. In whichever way it work out in the court, I wish the best for both of you. And the next thing again, my people. My people, I can't believe you know that sorry about that, my people, sorry about that. Yeah. As I said, I just can't believe say we really are here. I mean, if we really talk about it. Alright, my people. We all know that people more time don't do things that is out of the way, and after a while them apologize and so forth and so forth. But my people, as I am saying to you, I heard as it has alleged on the social media, saying the Prime Minister of Jamaica at a church. I know that it's much more a prayer, breakfast, or whatever them call it. All right. Well, my people, he was speaking. Yeah, he was speaking. And I hear where the Prime Minister say, like he was praying. And he asking the Lord to forgive him because he have sinned amongst his Jamaican people. Well, my people, I don't really know. Want to sleep. That's when I say, I don't know, I don't really know, but a Prime Minister is apologizing and asking the Lord to forgive him for the sin he have done, he have created amongst his people. Well, my people, when I tell you that it sound, I really like as you say, like all of the things that we are alleged, we are here, as it has alleged, all of the things that we are here, well, like, they are all truth because he come out and say he have been sin amongst his people and he asking for forgiveness. As I say, I hope the Lord will forgive him and give him a better sense of humor towards people overall. Well, I hear him say him let poor people suffer and him make all that him was talking when him do poor people. Up to the time when I really hear him say him do the rich is all the poor. So I will say, Mr. Prime Minister, I hope the Lord forgive you. As you're asking for it, but it's very bad. For you to deal with it that way, very bad. And you're coming out now and asking for forgiveness. Wow. I hope the Lord forgive you. For real life. Yeah, in a real life. Well, people, why I get a local story like him I say, yeah, Mario, a YouTube blogger, Mario, saying that him wife to be Rocio. Well, my people, me I know say I want to sleep. You know, but me I try finish up this thing. Yeah, I say, him wife to be Rocio, lost her phone again. Them steal her phone again. In this shares we know a couple months ago, it happened in Nairobi, Kenya, and now in South Africa, Johannesburg. Well, you know, as I say, people, these things happen. We all know these things happen. But people must be more vigilant. When you come on to them surrounding and how them operating and moving and who them interacting with. Yeah. And she need to learn. Sorry for you what happened, but you know, she need to learn. I know say why traveling commander. I know that traveling commander. No really want that to happen, that really want to put out him best to really protect her, but she have to learn how to protect herself. And I just hope these things that happen, well, she will be more careful. Because when I watch a video before she lose her phone, and it's like she just take out her phone and just put on her phone, and she have a bag on her. But I don't know. But you know, she just left her phone on the table. About 2 years ago, and she put on her phone. Well, we can't say she must not put down her phone because I fear one. But you know, in a move on in a town and places where people overall, cause we don't know who a criminal from who a criminal, because criminals dress up distant and nice like them a pastor or go to church, and them a criminal. So you have to be more proactive in where your movements around. So she soon get back her phone still, but be careful. Be careful. Sorry. Yeah. People. Well, this is a wrap, my people. Come on. And big up on yourself and give thanks every time. Let's subscribe to the channel and let the channel grow, my people. Like it, like the video, comment on the video, share the video. Let's subscribe to the channel grow. So thank you, my people. God bless you. I'm out.